Hello everyone, good morning to all of you and welcome to the channel. See, in last video we have discussed the compounds of oxygen, that is dioxygen and ozone. The oxygen is the group 16 element. In today's video we are going to discuss the one more elements of group 16, that is the sulfur. So in today's video we will discuss the compounds of sulfur. In this we will discuss the physical property, structure and uses of SO2 and H2SO4. So let's start the video. See here, first we will discuss about the SO2, that is sulfur dioxide, and then H2SO4, that is sulfuric acid. So let's start the SO2. See here, we discuss first here physical properties. Okay, what are the physical properties of SO2? We will discuss one by one. See here, first property, it is colorless gas. It is colorless gas with pungent smell. And what is mean by pungent? With pungent smell. What do you mean by pungent? Pungent means it gives a quick sensation. Next property is, if we see the nature of this gas, it is the poisonous. It is poisonous gas. Okay, keep in mind. Third property, it is highly soluble in water. Highly soluble in water. Okay, it is the third property. And fourth one is, it liquefies. It liquefies at room temperature. At 2 atm pressure. So these are the properties of physical properties of SO2. It is colorless gas with pungent smell. Then it is poisonous gas. It is highly soluble in water, and last one, it liquefies at room temperature at 2 atm pressure. So keep in mind. Now we see the structure of SO2. Okay, structure of SO2. It is angular structure like ozone. Okay, it is also the angular structure like ozone, in which the sulfur is bonded to oxygen like this, and we can draw its resonance structure like this. Okay, see here, don't pair. If we draw the structure of SO2, so we get the two resonating hybrid structure here, and we call it as canonical form. Canonical forms. These canonical forms are the resonance hybrid of each other. Okay, we call it canonical form, and these canonical forms are the resonance hybrid of each other. This is the structure of SO2. It is also angular. It is also angular like ozone, and the bond angle between the bond angle between oxygen, sulfur and oxygen is 119.5 degree. It is observed. Okay, so this is about the structure of SO2. Structure of SO2. Now we discuss its uses. Okay, its uses. So first use is, it is used as a anti-disinfectant. Okay. Second use is, it is used in the refining of petroleum and sugar. It is used in the refining of petroleum and sugar. Okay. Third use is, it is used as a bleaching of wool and silk. It is used as a used in the bleaching of wool and silk. Fourth use is it is used as a preservative. As a preservative. SO2 gas is also used as a preservative. Next one is if the liquid SO2, if we take the liquid SO2, it is used as a solvent many organic and inorganic chemical for dissolving the many organic and inorganic chemicals. So keep in the mind the uses of SO2. So we discuss the physical property, structure and uses of SO2 in short. So physical property we see here, next structure and next uses. Okay. Now we have to discuss the property, uses and structure of H2SO4. So let's start. So next compound of sulfur is sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid, and the formula of sulfuric acid is H2SO4. Okay. Now we discuss the physical properties of H2SO4. So first property is it is colorless. It is colorless dense liquid. It is colorless dense liquid. Okay. Second one is its density. If we discuss about the density, its density is 1.84 gram per cm cube. Its density is 1.84 gram per cm cube. Third one is it is highly corrosive. It is highly corrosive. Okay. If concentrated H2SO4 is get contact with our skin, due to the highly corrosive nature, it burns our skin. These are the property of the sulfuric acid. Density 1.84 gram per cm cube at 298 Kelvin, that is the room temperature. Okay, keep in mind that is the room temperature. Next one is its structure. What is the structure of H2SO4? We already discussed the structure of sulfuric acid in the oxo acids of sulfur and its oxidation state. Then also we draw here S, O, O, OH and OH. This is the structure of H2SO4, in which the oxidation state of sulfur is +6. Why oxidation state of sulfur is +6? Why it is +6? So you can see the video in which we discuss the oxo acids of sulfur. Then last point, it is the uses of sulfuric acid. Uses of sulfuric acid. There are number of uses of sulfuric acid in many reactions as well as in other purposes. So we will discuss some of them. So first one is it is used in the manufacture of fertilizer. Manufacture of fertilizer. Okay. Fertilizer like ammonium sulfate, superphosphate. Okay. Ammonium sulfate, superphosphate, etc. Next, it is used in preparation of pigments, paints and dyestuff industry. Okay, and dyestuff industry. So it is the second use of sulfuric acid. Third one is it is used in the detergent industries. Okay. Next one is storage battery. In storage batteries, it is used in the storage batteries. Fifth one is it is used in the petroleum refining, and next one is it is used as a laboratory reagent. So these are the uses of sulfuric acid. There are many more uses of sulfuric acid, but we have discussed some of them. So we discuss the physical property, structure and uses of sulfuric acid. Do you know the sulfuric acid is also called the oil of vitriol? So keep in mind, oil of vitriol, or it is regarded as the king of acids. Why? Because it has the number of uses. So keep in mind. So in today's video we have discussed the compounds of sulfur. So first one is sulfur dioxide and second one is sulfuric acid. Okay, we discussed the physical property, structure and the uses of both of them. So I hope the topic we have discussed today you understood very well. So prepare the notes of these topics. We will discuss the next topic in next video. So bye bye and take care.